Come, let's dive in.
Question number 1. Multiply 514 by 2. So 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 1 is 2. And 2 times 5 is 10. So we have 1028. Question number 2. Find the sum of 923 and 812. The word sum means addition. So 3 plus 2 is 5. 2 plus 1 is 3. And 9 plus 8 is 17. So the answer is 1735. Question number 3. What is the product of 731 and 2? Now, 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. And 2 times 7 is 14. So the answer is 1462. Solve 314 times 2. So 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 1 is 2, and 2 times 3 is 6. 628. Question number 5. Add 281 plus 429. 1 plus 9 is 10. So write 10, write 0 and carry 1. 8 plus 2 is 10. Plus this one, that gives you 11. So write 1 and carry 1. So 2 plus 4 is 6. Plus 1, that is 7. So 710. Please do well to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Like it. Thank you.